on those with expired inspection stickers. All right, Rosie.
I'm back and I have it together now. All right, let's take a look at these drive times. You can see 95 from the Mass State line to the 610 connector, just 6 minutes right now. 146 from Mineral Spring out to 95, 2 minutes. And finally, 195 from the Seekonk area to the 95 split, just 4 minutes. Christina.
All right, let's get to me now. It's our 10-day forecast. Take a close look. For today, it's the coolest day of the week as we're only heading into the middle 40s for highs. We're going to see partly sunny conditions.